How to transfer photos and videos from Android to laptop or PC. Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos from your Android phone to your laptop or PC. It's super easy, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Just stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything. So let's jump in. First, grab a USB cable that works with your Android device. Plug one end into your phone and the other into an available USB port on your laptop or PC. Once it's connected, check your phone screen. You'll see a pop-up asking if you want to allow access to your phone's data. Tap Allow to grant permission. Now, swipe down from the top of your phone screen to access your notifications. Tap on the USB Options notification. Choose File Transfer or MTP mode. This is what lets your computer access the files on your phone. Next, switch over to your laptop or PC. Here, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or double-clicking this PC on your desktop. In the File Explorer window, look for your Android device listed under Devices and Drives. Double-click it to open. Now, navigate to a folder called DCM. This is where most photos and videos from your camera are stored. Inside DCIM, you'll usually find a folder named Camera. Open that up. To transfer files, select the photos and videos you want. If you're choosing multiple files, hold down the Control key while clicking on each one. Once you've selected your files, right-click on any of them and choose Copy from the menu. Now go to the folder on your computer where you want to save them, like your Pictures folder, or wherever works best for you. Right-click in an empty space and choose Paste. The files will start transferring from your Android phone to your computer. After the transfer is done, you can safely unplug your phone. No risk of data loss, you're all set. And there you have it. That's how you transfer photos and videos from your Android phone to your laptop or PC in just a few steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.